Okay, gang, before the camera cut me off, I was describing finding the horizontal asymptote, either doing it by the pre-calc rules or thinking of it as limits, as we learned for test 1. Either way, you need it on the graph. It has to be on there. So that means at 1, we have a horizontal asymptote. Now remember, horizontal asymptotes are describing the feature as you go to infinity, not necessarily the feature in the center. So meaning that we don't need to be approaching 1 at the center, we need to be approaching 1 at the ends. So when you take the limit and you say that it equals to 1, that means as you go out to infinity, positive infinity, the graph is approaching a 1, or as you go out to negative infinity, the graph is approaching a 1. I mean, that is what you just found. But just recognize that it's telling you what's happening out in the ends, not in the middle. Okay, so now put everything together. So we're going to start by, I almost want to start at the middle if you're okay with that. So in the middle, we're concave up. In the middle, we're concave up. On the left side, you can see you're decreasing. On the right side, you're increasing. So we're concave up right here. Right, and you can see on the left side we're decreasing, on the right side we're increasing. So now if you want, we can put it all together. We can do it left to right if you'd like. So these, you're sort of looking at them simultaneously. This is saying the graph is going down, and as it's going down, it's bending downward, it's dropping water. So that means as you approach this inflection point, you go down towards it, and as you go down towards it, you're dropping water. See, it's not a straight line, it's bent. It's cupping a little bit, right? It's cupping a little bit, it's bending a little bit. So that means the first derivative, it's heading downward. The second derivative, it's bending, it's concave down. All right, then at the inflection point, we're still going down, but we're concave up. Then at the relative minimum, we start increasing as we're concave up. As we're concave up, we're increasing. And then as we hit the 1, we're still increasing, but we're concave down as we're increasing. So it's two different concepts. You can be going up and concave down, or up and concave up. All right, so it's two things that are happening at once. All right, so this says that we're concave down as we're going up. So I'm going to make us concave down as we're going up. So I'm dropping water as I'm going upward. Okay, it's not going to cross the horizontal asymptote, it's going to approach it. So it looks, depending on what your imagination is, to me it sort of looks like a seagull or a bird. It's that kind of shape. Alright gang, I hope that was helpful. I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.